Hello, my dear children. Today I am introducing to you a new subject, new for you, that is moral science. In this, we'll be learning some of the moral values, core values that are needed for being a good child and a good student. Okay. So, the topic for today is God is one. Let us begin with this. Who is God? Do you know who is God? God is the creator of the world we are living in. What gifts did God give us? God gave us everything that we can see and feel. Our life, our parents, friends, relatives, food that we eat, clothes that we wear, the nature, the flower, everything is given to us by God. How many gods are there? This is a very genuine question you will be having in your mind because some of you are praying to different gods. So let's see. Different means names are different. There is only one God. We may call him by different names like Allah, Rama, Krishna, Jesus, Hanuman, Vaheguru, and many more. We may worship him at different places like mosque, temple, gurudwara, maybe puja pandal, etc. Let us read the story of two boys, Aditya and Adil. Aditya and Adil were good friends. They lived in a village near the hill. These two boys were very good friends. Every day Aditya used to pray in the temple. Aditya used to pray in the temple and Adil used to pray in a mosque. One day they decided to go up the hill to pluck some berries. Their mother warned them to return soon as it was a cloudy day. If the weather is bad, Aditya and Adil quickly ran up the hill. They climbed the tree and happily started eating the sweet berries. They forgot the time. Soon there was thundering in the sky and it started to rain heavily. The boys got stuck on the tree. When it is thundering, lightning, you are also afraid, na? Same way, see? They sat on the branch and prayed. To be rescued, they were feeling scared. Here they prayed to God. When you are afraid, you are praying to God. Otherwise, you are asking help. They didn't have anyone to ask help. So they prayed to God to save them, rescue them. Okay. Save me, Allah, Adil said. Save me, Lord Krishna, Aditya prayed with folded hands. Just then, they heard someone calling them. There was a man calling out from nearby. The man helped them climb down the tree. Soon the rain stopped. The two thanked the man and started to run towards their home. Suddenly, Aditya remembered something. He went back to the man and asked him, "You are Lord Krishna, aren't you?" The man laughed and bent down to pat them. When he was asking this, the man simply started laughing. How can God come? Yes, I I am John. I am not God. I am a trader in the nearby village. I was passing by and heard your cries, so I came to help you. A good man who was passing by came to help them. But sons, God is everywhere. He helps us in different forms. Whenever you are stuck somewhere, God will come, maybe in the face of your parents. And here, like the man John. Yes, we know him by many names. He is Allah, he is Lord Krishna, and he is Jesus. We may pray to him in different places, but he is one. So many avatars are there, but God is actually one. There is only one God, but he is present everywhere. So remember, this is the most important thing. He smiled at the boys and said, "Now go home and remember to pray and thank God every day for all the beautiful things he has given to us." With these words, John went his way and the boys went to their homes happily. So what did you learn from this story? If you didn't understand anything, please watch this video again, and then you will be understanding that the moral of the story. What do we learn from this story? God is one and he is present everywhere. Okay. Thank you for watching.